The functions a, b, and c represent the amount owed in dollars for loans a, b, and c respectively. The input for the functions is t, the number of years without payments. For each loan, find the average rate of change per year between the start of the loan and the end of the second year. Okay, so we actually have a couple different strategies for this one. I'm going to show how we could do it algebraically, and then we'll show how we could use the graph that we already created to check our work. So for loan A, let's do, I guess I'll split this up. Let's split this up into like a couple different sections here. For loan A, and then for loan B, and then for loan C. So to calculate rate of change, we need to have a fraction, and we're going to need the value, the amount of the loan for a given function of time. And actually, I don't know if I have enough space for this. Let me try this again. Maybe I need a little bit more space here. It's going to be the amount at one time minus the amount at a different time divided by those two times. So this is like one time and another time, and then one time and another time. So in this case, we're going to be doing end of the second year, so that's t equals 2, and the start of the loan, that's t equals 0. So we want the amount after 2 years, and then minus the original amount. And we know the original amount is 1,000. So we need the amount after 2 years when it's the 12% interest. So we can go to right here, scientific calculator. We do the $1,000. We do the 1.12 raised to the power of 2, and we get 1254.4. So now we can type that into the calculator. And I'm actually going to plug it all in like this. I'm going to plug it in 1254.4. I'm going to do it like this. 1,000 times 1.12 to the second power minus 1,000. And I'm going to put actually all of that on the top of the fraction. And you'll see why I'm going to do this in a moment. And then we're going to put 2 minus 0. Okay, so that's going to give us 127.2. That's 127.2. So now why did I plug it into the calculator that way? Because now I know that the 2 and the 0 and the 1,000 are not going to change, and I know that this is only going to change based on the interest rate. So now when I go to the calculator right here, I can just change the 0.12 to a 24, and now I get the other one, 268.8. This is going to be 268.8. And I can go back now and change this one to the 306 to get the 30.6% interest rate, and that's 352.82. Okay. So what does all this mean? This means that for loan A, the amount owed is increasing at an average rate of $127.2 per year. For loan B, it's advancing at a rate of $268.8 per year. And for loan C, the amount owed is growing at an average rate of $352.82 per year.